Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change font in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find your projects, open from computer, templates, and lastly, install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on a new project. Once you do that, you're going to be right here. So once this window pop out, you can uh, choose or change the name of your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, you can choose or change the background color. Right here, you're going to find some sizes that you can choose from for your image. So I'm going to go to screen and select this size, for example, then click on create. Once you click on create, you're going to be right here in the screen. So basically guys, once you're here, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. So right now I'm going to add a text. In order to do that, go ahead and click on the type tool and then click anywhere in your screen. And then you can type anything that you want. For example, I'm going to type tutorial and I'm going to change the size of it like this. So basically guys, right now, if you want to change the font of your text, all you need to do guys is select it. Once you select it, just go right here. And then as you can see guys, here you're going to find the list that includes all of the available fonts. Once you change your font, then just click right here to confirm your changes. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.